Get out! Run! Hurry! Go! Move! Move! Stay close to me.
The circle is made of lines that do not end. Circle.
Even without a classroom, we do not stop learning.
They're studying out here, under a tree. The rain destroyed our classroom. Since then, this tree has been our only roof. When the wind comes, I hold my book tight so I don't lose the lesson. Then we're going to build you a real classroom, safe, dry, and made to last.
This land is rough, but our children need a real classroom.
Mr. Samuel, we'll build it here, Maud, strong and safe.
Do you really think a new classroom can be built here?
Yes, we can build it here, and we can build it strong.
All right, team, let's look at the plans one last time. We'll start laying out the foundation here. 2 teams on stakes and string, 2 on excavation.
Congratulations, teacher and students. You now have a safe, strong, beautiful classroom. From today, these children have a safer place to learn, dream, and build their future. This video is AI created. The story is fictional and made for inspiration. This is not a real charity project, fundraiser, or representation of any real person. Our goal is to share human stories that spread kindness, hope, and compassion.